try the pad thai here. Okay, and I've got a whole bunch of saltine crackers to fill it out. So I bought on this pack of survival rations. This is 2,400 calories. Each one of these little packages is 240 calories. So 2 of those packages are about the equivalent of one of these Mountain House meals. I'm a big boy, and I just pulled a lot of kids. I need to load up on some calories. There you go. All right, we're boiling. Let's get dinner started. You guys having fun playing in the cart? Yeah. All right, guys. Yeah, come over here and eat your spaghetti. Take the cracker and scoop some up. Now. Y'all done, David? If you guys watch my videos, you know I love these adhesive body warmers. They're great for taking kids camping and fishing. They've got these stickers on them, and you just stick them to the outside of their jammies, like that. And then they last 12 hours. So these will keep the boys nice and warm all night long. Now get inside your sleeping bag. You guys doing good in there? Yeah, they're never gonna go to bed. All right, got the rain fly up, got all the gear covered. Now, if only we could get them to go to bed, that would really be something. Well, it looks like the boys are finally asleep. Oh, it's a long day, and I am going to be sore in the morning. I hauled all my fishing gear all the way here. I'm camping by a river, not even using it. I'm so tired. I'm just going to go to bed. All right, guys. I'll see you in the morning. Oh, it smells like pad thai farts in there. I sleep, and all of a sudden I hear this bonk. And Jake was like, he got out of his bed and smacked his head sitting up. Hello. You have a good night sleep, buddy? Yeah. Good. Do you like camping? What do you think of the dehydrated eggs? Want some more?
Today's affirmation: feel strong in your skin. Nivea Skin Firming Hydrating Lotion is formulated with coenzyme Q10 for visibly firmer skin in as little as 7 days. Nivea is for skin. Members get more. Feel the love and exclusive experiences only with Xfinity.
Whoa, bring it in.
Explore more in the Xfinity app.
Yeah, dude, that doesn't look good. I know what to do.
What's that?
You go to cashnetusa.com. I can apply in minutes, and if approved, I can have the money as soon as the same business day.
Oh, nice save.
Saving the day is easy. Cashnet USA. When you need money fast, be the hero. Go to cashnetusa.com to apply for the money you need now.
It's way hot. Alright guys, you ready to go do some more exploring? Yeah. Well listen, we're gonna keep heading down the trail. There's a number of locks and a waterfall and a little canyon, and we're gonna go all the way to the end of the tunnel that we had to turn back at earlier. Well, I was worried about being sore this morning, but I'm doing really good. We got 8.5 miles today, so I think we're gonna be all right. I'm a little worried about those clouds off in the horizon. I don't think we're gonna get rained on, but we got rain gear, and I can put the top on the hand car to keep the kids dry and the gear dry. Are you guys okay having it completely on? Oh, we got the package secured. Cool. We finally made it to the other side of the tunnel. Yeah, this has been absolutely wonderful. I've had so much fun, and it's just been gorgeous. It's totally exceeded my expectations. This is really my first time hiking the C&O Canal Trail. We only did 10.5 miles of it. There's 185 miles of this trail from Cumberland to DC. And I think it'd be so much fun to take the whole family and do this camping and biking the entire length of the trail. If that's something you guys would like to see, make sure to click like and subscribe and let me know if that's something you want to see more of. Well, this has been a fun little rest, but we've got to do 7.5 miles back to the car. You guys ready? All right. Yeah, this has been so much fun. Nathan, I think I need to apologize to you. It turns out that socks do grow on trees. Look at that. Check it out. That's from a turkey. I'm sore, but we had a good time. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as we did. If you want to see more great videos on the Outdoor Boy YouTube channel, check out our fishing cabin video where we built from scratch a floating fishing cabin. And all of our many other survival and camping videos. So we put a playlist in the video description. Check them all out. They're loads of fun. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to click subscribe. We put out new videos every Saturday morning. See you guys later. If you like this video, don't forget to check out the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel where we have hundreds of videos just like this. And don't forget to click subscribe so you can see other great videos every Saturday morning. Hit that bell button and you'll get notifications. Thanks for watching. Root here at the Boys YouTube channel. I'm here in the swamps of Florida. For the next 2 weeks, I'm fishing, catching white hunting gators, spear fishing, eating good food. I'm bringing you guys along for the ride. All right, guys, welcome to Fort Myers, Florida. There's alligators. Oh, here we are. Oh, do you think it is? Look at this. It's got a washroom shower. Wait, she is. There he is. Look at this. Yeah. Get him. Here. There you go. You got him? You got a little chameleon. That's cool. Goes your doggy.
She's trying to bite me.
All right. Well, Becca, welcome to Cape Coral, Florida. Are you excited to be here?
So excited. It's gorgeous.
It's nice to get away from the snow, huh? Yeah. I'm gonna go hit the store. I'm gonna get some supplies. All right, guys, dinner's ready. Come sit out here by the fire. Well, back home there's about 3 feet of snow in our front yard, so this is pretty nice.
And being shirtless.
And being shirtless. Oh, I was so hungry. Well, guys, it has been a long day, but we are so glad to be here. We've got so many fun things planned for the next week or so. I'll see you guys in the morning. I gotta get some rest. Oh, good morning. It is 11:30 in the morning. We slept about 12 hours last night. We were really, really tired.